Around last week, I was trying muscle ups, and because of my shoulder injury, it was pretty painful to do the top portion. So today is like around a week later, my shoulder's feeling a little better. So I'm gonna try if I can do muscle ups with very little pain. Let's just try. Went pretty well. It's like a 2 out of 10 pain, so that's good. The rehab is going well, and just gonna continue with it, and hopefully by maybe 1 or 2 more weeks, the pain can subside, and I can get back to my normal training.